started with this. Right? Now we have this. This is not what I was planning to do today. I thought I was gonna draw a cute anime girl. I don't know what happened. We took a wrong turn somewhere. Horrific. I breathed in kind of weirdly. Okay. Okay. That was a sharp inhale I made. What was I thinking again? Oh, this is terrifying. Sorry. You guys hear it? The artwork is coming to life. I can't believe I ended up just doing this portrait of a peacock. That wasn't the... You know what? I can believe it. This does seem like something I would... I don't think this is so out of character for me. Why are people saying a clip? What did I do now?